ever been stopped in your scroll by these breathtaking 1950s Super Panavision 70 videos? Channels like Abandoned Films are proof. Hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of views, all captivated by this incredible retro aesthetic. You can find numerous successful instances across YouTube that apply this 1950s Super Panavision 70 treatment to a wide range of modern subjects, from superheroes and beloved cartoon characters and iconic fantasy franchises to the most popular bangers. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these epic trailers using AI tools. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see my finished 1950s-style Star Wars trailer and learn the top 3 tips to make your retro videos go viral. The 1950s were the golden age of widescreen cinema. Super Panavision 70 was basically the IMAX of its time. Ultra-wide 70mm film that made movies look epic. Think Ben-Hur or Lawrence of Arabia vibes. Today, with a little AI magic, you and I can recreate that vintage cinematic feel for any story we want. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, from writing an old-school script to creating vintage visuals with AI to editing it all into a 1950s-style trailer. I've broken the process into 5 clear steps: script writing, voiceover and music, AI-generated vintage images, animating images to video, editing and effects. And hey, make sure to watch to the end for those pro tips I promised. They can make the difference between just another video and a viral hit. Ready to dive in? Let's go retro. Step 1. Script writing. Every great trailer starts with a great script. To get that authentic 50s flavor, I turned to AI for help. I asked ChatGPT to write a voiceover script for a trailer in the style of a dramatic 1950s film based on Star Wars: The Force Awakens. So, I tweaked the draft to add a pinch of humor and a dash of romance, just like real 1950s trailers often did. I kept the voiceover to about 150 words. That's roughly a minute, perfect for a snappy trailer. If you try this, tell ChatGPT exactly how long you want the script or it might ramble on. Don't be afraid to direct ChatGPT. Ask for more suspense or more descriptive scene setups. This is your movie trailer. Make it epic. Now we need to give it a voice and some mood-setting music. Step 2. Voiceover and music.
In a galaxy far, far away, a new adventure blossoms.
Sounds pretty legit, right? We need a voice like those classic trailer narrators. I used 11 Labs, an AI text-to-speech tool, to generate the voiceover. I pasted the script into 11 Labs and chose a deep, dramatic male voice similar to old trailer narrators. 11 Labs lets you experiment with different voices. Don't settle until it sounds like a movie trailer announcer from the past. Now, what's a trailer without music? We need some dramatic 50s style tunes. For music, you have a couple of options: royalty-free tracks. You can search the YouTube audio library or other royalty-free websites such as Pixabay. Look for words like vintage, cinematic, or epic orchestra. Or you can create music with AI. Tools like Suno AI can generate music. I experimented with an AI-generated retro soundtrack. It took a few tries, but the results were surprisingly on point. The key is to get music that matches the era. Picture those big, brassy orchestras in classic trailers. That's the energy we want. Once you have the voiceover and a fitting music track, we'll sync them later in editing. But first, we need visuals. And not just any visuals, vintage visuals. Time to play director and set the scene. Now for the visual magic. Say hello to ChatGPT's 4.0 image generation. Check this image out. And this is just with a simple image prompt. You don't need to overthink it, because you can ask ChatGPT to turn your script into image prompts. And you can just create images with those prompts. You'll probably want that character to show up in more than one scene. To learn how to keep their look perfectly consistent, tap the video popping up in the corner. There will be a link in the description too. Step 4. Animating images to video. To truly sell the trailer effect, those static images need motion. Enter Freepik/Picasso, an AI model compilation website. Here you can test out multiple video generation models with just one subscription. Let's choose Kling 1.6 Pro. Upload the image you want to animate. Next, FreePic is going to auto-magically create the prompt. And click Generate. And that's it, your image turned into a video. Step 5, editing and effects. We've got all our ingredients, voiceover, music, and a folder full of vintage-looking video clips. Now it's editing time, where the magic truly comes together. I used CapCut to assemble the trailer. Use whatever editor you're comfortable with. DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut, etc. work too. My editing workflow went like this. I dropped the AI voiceover track onto the timeline. This is my spine. It dictates the pacing. Super Panavision 70 films were shot in a wide format, so I switched the aspect ratio to 2.35 to 1. Next, I added the AI-generated video clips in sequence to match the voiceover narration. For example, when the narrator says, "A masked menace lurks," I show the clip of our retro-styled villain appearing. I paid attention to timing, making sure each clip hits at the right moment to complement the narration. Then I layered in the music track, adjusting the volume so the narrator's voice is clear. I also cut and extended the music to fit the trailer's length, ending with a dramatic flourish right on the final line. Overlaid a free film grain effect layer and even a few subtle film scratch overlays, you can find these online, to make the footage feel aged. The grainier and flickery, the more it feels like real old film stock. I tweaked the colors toward a slight faded Technicolor look, vibrant yet a bit washed, emulating 1950s film color processing. If you're learning something new here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative AI tutorials. Your support means a lot, and it lets me keep time traveling with you. Now, moment of truth. Want to see how our retro trailer turned out?
In a galaxy far, far away, a new adventure blossoms. Meet Ray, a spirited scavenger with dreams as vast as the stars, and Finn, a rogue stormtrooper seeking redemption. Together they ignite a spark that could light the universe. Guided by legends, Han Solo and his furry co-pilot, they navigate a world of danger and desire. But beware, a masked menace lurks, with a lightsaber as fiery as his temper. Will love triumph over darkness? Can two hearts unite a divided galaxy? Hold on to your seats for a whirlwind of romance, rebellion, and sci-fi thrills. Coming soon to a theater near you. Don't miss this interstellar love story.
Pretty awesome, right? We just created a slice of retro movie magic with a modern story. It's amazing what a little creativity and AI power can do. It's like having a Hollywood time machine at your fingertips. Before we wrap up, as promised, here are the top 3 pro tips for making your retro AI videos truly shine. Quality over quantity. Focus on making one really good trailer rather than churning out dozens. I spent time refining the script, regenerating images, and editing carefully. The extra effort shows. Viewers can tell when you've crafted something with love. Be original and have fun. Pick movie ideas you are passionate about or even mash up genres. The more original or quirky the concept, like 1950s Star Wars, the more it will stand out. Your enthusiasm will translate on screen. And if you're enjoying the process, it's going to reflect in the final video. And remember, on YouTube, your video's metadata is everything. Without a search-friendly title, description, and tags, it's tough for viewers to discover you. One simple way is to hop over to tubemagic.com. I've added a link with a special offer down in the description. Then, on the homepage, click on Warp Upload and paste your unlisted video link. That's it. Now, TubeMagic has created an optimized title, description, and tags. And there we have it. From a blank page to a 1950s Super Panavision 70 style trailer, all thanks to AI and a bit of imagination. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that subscribe button for more adventures in AI filmmaking. I'd love to see what you create. Let me know in the comments what modern movie you would reimagine as a 1950s classic. Until next time, this is Maya signing off. Stay creative and stay retro.